When searching for the right paving contractor, keep these important things in mind. When installing a newly paved driveway or walkway, or even when repairing and protecting paved surfaces around your home or business, choosing the wrong paving contractor could cost you a substantial amount of time and money. It's essential to work with the right paving contractor from the start of your project. The following are 3 vital tips to help you find a professional paving contractor that's right for you. 1. Inquire about what grade